I'm Professor Parish.
And I'm Professor Alice, and today we're working on percent growth and decay. Here's a quick overview of what percent growth and decay are before we get into some examples. Percent growth and decay is the rate at which a quantity changes over time. With percent growth, our equation is y equals a, where a is our constant, times 1 plus r, where r is our rate of growth and decay in decimal form, to the power of x, where x is the number of time intervals that have passed. We know that a will increase because by multiplying by 1, that's the same as multiplying by 100%. So if we're adding something to 1, that's the amount of percent over 100 that it will increase by. For percent decay, our equation is y equals a, where a is our constant, times 1 minus r, where r is our rate of growth and decay in decimal form, to the power of x, where x is the number of time intervals that have passed. For example, if our r value was 0.78, then this converted to percentage form would be 22%, which means that we keep 22% of a each interval of x. Now we're going to look at some examples of graphs of percent growth and decay. I have a question for you. Which of these graphs shows percent growth? I'm going to give you 5 seconds. Ready, go. Time's up! This graph shows percent growth because as our x value increases, our y values get higher and higher as the percentage grows each time. This graph shows percent decay because as our x values increase, our y values decrease.
First, we're going to start with percent decay. Here's our example, and we know it's percent decay because the number inside the parentheses is less than 1. So this is saying that every time x increases by 1, we're keeping 33% of 41 and taking away 67% of 41.
This is our example for percent growth. In the equation y equals 70 times 1.08 to the power of x, we know that this is increasing because the number in parentheses is greater than 1. If we convert it to a percentage, it would be 108%, which means that 70 is growing by 8% every time x increases by 1. Thanks for watching. This is Professor Alice signing off.